Hey, what's up, y'all? Today I got a simple video for y'all, but it may help some of y'all or just give a refresher. So today, right now we're working on this Reznor heater, this inline duct heater. And so all this does is that it produces the heat. This is the fan coil with the evaporators and the blower motor, okay? So today we're gonna do something really simple. We're gonna change a switch. We're gonna install a new pressure switch right here, and we're gonna install another contact switch right here. So relatively simple, but let's follow the fundamentals and the basics. First thing you want to do is verify the power is off before you put your fingers in here anywhere, because you could easily cause an accident like that. So verify the power is off. Also, before you do anything with this switch, take pictures of it. Take pictures of the wires, where the wires go. What I'm gonna do is, when I'm installing the new one, I'm going to be watching the video, because then I say take a picture of the wires before you do anything, because when you could be loosening that screw, and then you could accidentally have one of these wires come out. But if that does happen, just look at the wiring diagram and go off that. Also, see how these screws are in a weird spot? You can either use a angle nut driver, or what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this flexible bit. Well, it's not a bit, but like a flexible drive. And then here's my bit. All right, I'll get back with y'all. Okay, so I got my pictures taken of this contact, and also I got it undid. And before you take any wires off of it, just verify that your coil voltage is correct, because if it is not, it would not operate properly. So these are the same exact one. Well, you know what? It's just a little different, because I see this D23. That's a A17. But everything else is correct. Things that are really important, like this 24 volt. That's what you really gotta be mindful of. All right, so I got the pressure switch and the fan switch replaced. You can see these are the existing ones. You can tell by the dirt that's on it. This is new. Also, when you are making your connections, make sure you don't have anything loose. You don't want anything to heat up or melt. So if these spaces are ever loose, you can just get a wire crimper, a wire stripper, and just tighten it a little bit by pressing it down. Also, with this pressure switch, make sure that this tube is not blocked. Also, you can push or pull through this hole just to clear it if it is clogged. Make sure this is on good. And before you leave, get pictures. Clients, they love before and after pictures. And also verify operation. So now that we've replaced heating components, I'm going to verify that the heat is working properly, make sure that we don't have any other issues. And if we do not have any other issues, we will call it a day and write up this work order.